I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my cheese and garden vegetable stuffed chicken breast. This recipe starts by pounding the chicken breast very thinly, and we'll use 4 chicken breasts today for the recipe. I do have a success secret video on how to scallopini the chicken if you want to check that out, but it's basically using the same technique with the Ziploc bags that I've used here today. So we have 4 chicken breasts that I've pounded to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, and we're going to make the coating for the chicken breast using 1 cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And I'll mix this together just lightly. And that will be our coating. I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and this is unsalted butter I'm using in this recipe today. And then 1 small tub of cream cheese that's flavored with the garden vegetable. Now we're going to start by stuffing the chicken breast, and you can see how easy these are to work with when you're using the Ziploc bags. Nothing touches your counter, it's all in the Ziploc bag. And we're going to take about 1 tablespoon to really 2 tablespoons, because these are large chicken breasts. About 2 tablespoons of the cream cheese garden vegetable. Put it in the center. And we're going to roll the chicken breast up. And then take a toothpick and just stick in the underneath side just to hold it together. And we're going to dip it in the melted butter and then roll it in the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese. We're going to place these on a baking pan that's been greased. Now I'm finishing the 4th chicken breast, putting again about 2 tablespoons of the garden vegetable flavored cream cheese in the center, and then rolling it up, dipping it in the butter, finishing it in the breadcrumbs that's been seasoned with the Parmesan cheese, placing it on the baking dish. And now these will bake for about 35 to 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and see the finished stuffed chicken breast. I've just taken the cheese and garden vegetable stuffed chicken breast out of the oven, and because these were larger chicken breasts, they baked about 45 minutes, and I have removed the toothpicks that I put in them. So I want to show you here how I would serve this on a platter, with just garnished with just a little bit of fresh parsley. There you have it. Remember, let's make life special by sharing great food with our family and friends. Enjoy.